Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. Vlogmas Christmas. Today we are going to a wedding. We are back. That was a lovely time, but it was so loud. I think one of the things I personally don't enjoy about any kind of event, whether it be a wedding, any kind of event really, I don't know what I'm talking about, but like a bar, you go to a restaurant, if it's too loud and you can't, like, it's to the point where you can't converse with people because you can barely hear what people are saying. That's what it was like the whole time for me. So I feel like I couldn't talk to anyone because I couldn't hear a thing. But I am exhausted. I was up at 6:30 a.m. to get ready so that we could be there in time for 9 a.m. I need a nap, you guys. Oh, with Vlogmas and with everything, I feel like I'm really sleep deprived at this point because I usually stay up a little bit late editing, like to make sure I get the Vlogmas episode out for you guys. I'm probably done working by 9 p.m., 9:30, and then like I'm addicted to Genshin Impact again. So I want to like let myself have some time playing my game before I have to go to bed. But then Honeyboy and I are addicted to the show Ted Lasso, so we just binge watched that whole thing, and now we're on to Foundation. There are shows that you can watch on Apple TV, so we've been staying up much past our bedtime. So I think we went to sleep probably around 1 a.m., 1:30 a.m. So that's like 4 hours of sleep, I feel like. So I'm gonna take a nap. I'm gonna take a nap, and then we're gonna finish this Vlogmas episode by doing some crafting, some DIY costume making, I guess, because I have a Patreon shoot that I have to do tomorrow. And I haven't even made my costume yet. So we're gonna do that together for the rest of this vlog. I literally laid down for all of like maybe 20 minutes and then I got back up because there's so much to do. Like realistically, I don't have the time to nap. I have to create an entire cosplay look that's ready to go for 11 a.m. tomorrow. Have a Vlogmas video up for 8 a.m., ideally 9 a.m. tomorrow, and I haven't finished it. I've already hit that point in Vlogmas where I'm like hitting a breaking point, but it's okay. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. So I apologize in advance if this episode is becomes a little short, a little chaotic, but I'm really struggling today, you guys. I'm really exhausted, but I can't sleep because there's so much on my mind about all the millions of things I have to do. But I'm making myself my second coffee of the day. There was no coffee at the wedding, but an amazing, delicious milk tea, but not enough caffeine for your girl. So we're making our second cup of coffee here so I can start DIY crafting a cosplay look. I was literally freaking out so much just now, like about how impossible this timing is, and I'm thinking, why did I do this to myself? It's okay. It's okay. Tomorrow isn't the luxury shoot, or is it? I'm losing it. I'm losing it. Let me double check the schedule again. It is. It is. So this is the character we're going to be trying to create a really simple look of, just because that's way too complex of an outfit, but we can at least try to get a boudoir version of it pretty simply, I hope. think I've done as much as I can for the actual outfit part. If you guys want to see that, you will see a sneak peek of it in tomorrow's Vlogmas episode when I go to the studio to shoot that look. Plus, also we'll be shooting for 𝐔𝐻𝐻𝐺 Atelier, my skincare company. And if we have extra time, we'll shoot just casual fun content there as well, because it's like a crazy cool Christmas setup and I've always wanted to go and shoot at one of them. But yeah, so all I have to do next is style the wig a little bit and then pack up so that everything's ready to go for tomorrow morning, so we can just head out as quickly as possible to get there for 11 a.m. But I am hungry. It's like probably 6 o'clock now and I haven't eaten since probably around 11 a.m. at the wedding. So we're gonna go to South Street Burger. If you guys don't know what South Street Burger is, it's like a small chain of burger joints in Toronto. I never heard of them until we moved here. But they're like really good. It's like fast food burger, but like meets gourmet style burger. Anyway, we're gonna go get some food. Let's go. Oh boy. He's been really annoying the past 2 days. He's been yelling and demanding, but then you try to play with him and he doesn't want to play, and then you stop playing and he screams and runs around more and threatens. What a little bad little naughty boy he's been. He doesn't even want to look at me. Rude. Oh, there we go. Hello. We are really into the show Foundation now, so we're going to eat our burgers and our poutine and watch for a little bit, take a little break, then I'll get around to editing this vlog right now. For my burger, I got the regular Angus burger with mustard, ketchup, pickles, grilled pineapple, I love pineapple, and their signature sauce. So let's give it a taste. Alrighty, that is it for today's Vlogmas episode. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry I didn't get as much footage at the wedding as I anticipated that I would. So I tried to fill the day with the DIY crafting of a cosplay outfit, which turned out okay. It turned out okay. You guys will see tomorrow. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you have been enjoying these Vlogmas episodes so far. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you are enjoying the vlogs and the skincare content and the beauty content. Aside from Vlogmas, I upload twice a week. You can also catch me on my Instagram, where I'm pretty active every single day aside for Vlogmas, because my life is Vlogmas now. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow for our cosplay photo shoot, skincare photo shoot at a wonderful Christmas themed studio. So if that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned for tomorrow's episode. Bye!